Hey everyone, I'm Jeremy. I'm here with Superhairpieces, and I will be doing an unboxing video of the M101V PRO. So this new system by Superhairpieces, it is European hair. It's a 100% density with an extra 10% in the front. New base that allows it to stretch for comfortability and placement. Also is a 4 to 6 mil base. All right, let's open up this package and get a first look at it. So my first impressions of this European hair system, it feels real nice and soft, almost like silk. And with this being a full-bodied system with an extra 10% in the front, I think this is going to look phenomenal. Let's talk about the base of the system. It's a 4 to 6 mil base, ultra thin but still durable. What's really exciting about it is that with the new stretch skin-based system, it's got a real good stretch to it, so that's going to help with extra flexibility, fit more comfortable, and more natural looking. You can actually feel a nice stretch to it without it jeopardizing the strength. This should make adhesion and application a lot more seamless. With 100% density throughout and an extra 10% in the front, the system is ideal for anyone who wants fuller coverage without looking too thick or unnatural. So my final impression, Superhairpieces have stepped up their game with this system. The combination of European hair, realistic density, and the new stretch-based system makes this a solid option for those looking for a natural yet durable hair system. So if you have any questions about this new hair system, go ahead and leave a comment down below. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.